Me too, but we don't, so... Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Dude, get in.
Okay. We're off. Dude, into just pure void, bro.
Alright, do not hit your shift key.
I know, dude. I'm not even touching my keyboard right now. I'm not even touching my keyboard.
Dude, this is terrifying. This better be worth it, bro. You better get the Tomb of the Mafia riches.
We'll find it. What
You
the?
spin me right
Theo,
round,
stop,
baby,
stop,
right
stop,
round,
stop,
like
stop,
a
stop, stop,
record
stop,
player,
stop,
right
stop,
round,
stop,
right
stop,
round.
stop, bro.
Right
Bro,
round.
Theo.
It's fine.
Stop. Oh my
Bro, it's
gosh,
fine.
dude, you're trying to get us killed.
You're overreacting.
And eventually, after traveling in complete void for hours, Theo and I arrived at the coordinates written in the book, completely unsure as to what we were going to find there. Whatever you do, just be careful of her. What?
Yo,
You see that?
what the heck?
I think this is it.
Dude, there's still more. Look how big it is.
Yeah, it's huge.
What do you think the treasure is like gonna look like? Do you think it's just gonna be in a house or something?
I don't know. There's no way it's this easy.
Here we are.
Looks like there's some sort of path in front of us.
No, it's destroying the tree.
It's fine, let's keep it up here. It's a nice hiding spot.
Okay.
Something feels off about this place, I can't even lie. Whatever you do, just be careful of her.
Well, if we die here, at least it'll be a pretty spot for our graves.
We're not gonna die. There's a door.
Wait, what?
There's a door back there.
Oh, I see it. Whoa!
Yeah.
Wait,
Is this it? Is this the tomb of the Mafia?
wait, do you... I'm gonna like fly around and see if I can see anyone.
While Theo flew around, I decided to investigate the area. And not only was there a massive door, but there were also two hoppers, meaning that we probably needed some sort of key to enter. Theo,